got new birds. Are you not happy?
My ball.
Yeah, those are Benjamin's birds.
I'm a boss.
Yeah, can you pick a name for your birds? Can you pick a name for the birds? You hold it. We can't hold the birds just yet. We have to tame them. They have to get used to us. You know, just like mommy's squirrels when they're in the cage and we can't touch them. That's how the birds are. Do you want them to go back and live at the pet store? Or do you want them to stay here? Do you want the birds to stay here, or do you want them to go back to the pet store?
There.
Stay here? Well, then we can't cry, and we have to give them a name. And if you talk to them enough, they'll talk back. You'll say, good bird, and it'll say, good bird. That's right. We will give them food and water, and at night we'll cover them with a sheet. That is right. You're going to be a good bird caretaker, right? You're going to love them?
Right. Not more.
No, baby, the birds can't ride on the lawnmower. I'm sorry. Was it not a good pet choice? Oh, Mommy